Soak the seeds for 24 hours before planting. Soak the soil discs in warm water, allowing them to expand. Squeeze out the water and place soil in grow bags, leaving 1/8 inch from the top of the bag, and save the remaining soil. Scatter 5 seeds per grow bag, with room between each seed. Cover the seeds with the remaining soil but don't pack the soil down. Write the name and sown on the date on the plant marker and place it in each bag with that seed. Place near sunlight until sprouting, then increase sun. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Mini Succulent and Cactus Plants. DIY indoor growing kit with everything you need to grow your own cactus live plants and live succulent plants indoors. Seeds that stay small in maturity, 4 burlap jute grow bags, planting pots, potting soil, pruning shears, 4 bamboo plant markers, wooden gift box works as an indoor planter. Number 2. Succulent seeds. Mesembryanthemum species, Argyroderma, Lithops, Carpobrotus, Chirodopsis, Crassula, Gibium, Lithops, Faucaria, Fenestraria, and others. Cactus seeds. Gymnocalycium, Mammillarias, Nodocactus, Rebutia, Labivia, Blossfeldia, Fralea, Mellocactus, and others. Number 3. Unique gift ideas. Our cactus and succulent grow kit make cool gifts for men and fun gifts for women. Great desk plants and office plant gifts, birthday gifts for mom, house plants for housewarming gifts, indoor gardening gifts, DIY succulent decor or cactus decor, succulent terrarium kit, or cactus tiny terrarium plants. Number 4. Why Garden Republic? Growing up on farms, our goal is to make the art of growing live plants indoors simple and accessible. We are a veteran and family-owned small business focused on creating safe, sustainable products you can trust. Number 5. Quality you can trust. Our indoor garden kit seeds are freshly harvested and germination tested before being placed in your seed packets. Number 6. Beautiful gift box. Looking for a unique gift idea for that hard-to-buy for friend or family member? You will be proud to gift our beautifully packaged seed starter kit. From our elegant wood box design to our unique burlap pots, we've thought of everything you need to give the perfect gift. Number 7. Grow succulents from seed. You'll impress friends and family when you show off the beautiful succulent and cactus plants you've grown from seed. We only select non-GMO seeds with the best possible germination rates to ensure your growing success. Number 8. Thoughtful design. Our unique gift box can also be used as a planter box as you set your seeds up for germination. Speaking of seeds, we've added extra seeds to each of our kits to increase the chance for success. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. The seed envelopes only have numbers on them. How do I know which seeds I'm planting? Not sure what to write on the markers? Answer. The seeds are separated into 2 groups, succulents and cactus. There are 2 packets of mixed variety succulents and 2 packets of mixed variety cactus. Each packet contains several varieties, so you'll just need to write either cactus or succulent on the plant markers. Question number 2. Is there prickly pear in the seed mix, and if so, will it bear fruit? Answer. Each seed packet contains a mixture of different cacti and succulent varieties, but I do not think the prickly pear is one of the included varieties. In the cactus mix, you will find Gymnocalycium, Mammillarias, Nodocactus, Rebutia, Labivia, Blossfeldia, Fralea, and Mellocactus. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.